Hey guys, it's me again, and in this video, I'm going to show you something I found. I found an iPhone in the river a few days ago. And, yeah. In the back, it looks in pretty good condition, but inside, the whole screen's coming off. Some of this actual screen popped off there. All the buttons won't go in. Well, this one kind of goes in. I don't know. Wait. The button is kind of loose. If I can easily pop that off. And yeah, I've been soaking it in here. Battery is inside there, right all there. Looks like there's salt. I've been soaking it in this thing filled with alcohol. And I was able to restore it a little bit, clean up the back with a few Q-tips and alcohol. There's this little scruff right there that I can't get off. Maybe that's just some dirt. Because I can feel it. It doesn't feel like a scratch or a scruff. So I've been using the syringe. Sorry, this is taking me a while. And then everywhere where it looks like it needs a little bit of alcohol, I just kind of squeeze a little bit. Okay, maybe that's a little too much. Alright, so right here, I'll just take some. Right there, that's where it's going to be, so I'm just going to, there you go. Kind of soak it in there, and then there's a few parts right here that I can just kind of pop right there. This right here. There's a few spots on the back, and then whatever ones I don't need alcohol, I just kind of suck it up. And there you go. So yeah, hopefully I can restore this thing. And by the looks of it, I took off my case to my phone, and I think this is an iPhone 6 because this is roughly about the same size. Same size, width and length. So I think it's an iPhone 6, which is really cool to find an iPhone 6 in the river. It did have some sort of thing on the back of it, but it was just like, let me take this thing off my case. I have the two-part case where there is rubber and then there is the plastic. On the back of the phone, it just had like this on the back of it, and I took it off, but it was only the tops of it, like right here. It didn't have the sides, and it only have the bottoms and the tops. It didn't have the sides. And yeah, so I have like the case that has the plastic and rubber. So that's the case I have, and then this, it just had the plastic. So I don't know what happened, but it was pretty snug on there. It wasn't like it had, I don't know, just it was really cool to find an iPhone 6 in the river. Well, that's what I'm guessing. But see, if you were to look at the back, if I get my syringe right here, oh, okay, nope, I don't want to do that. Let me just, I'm doing this with one hand right now. Let me just suck that up. Alright. But as you can see, okay. Just give me a minute. Let me just go in here. Q-tip. So right here, the Apple sign is pretty good, but look. Look right there. It's really dirty in there. So I can push in the actual Apple logo, and then it kind of fills up in there. So let me just, God. Alexa. All right. Let me take some paper towel, and then let me kind of dab it. Alright, let me actually zoom in so I don't have to put my phone so close to the water. Alright, right there. Look. Right there. You can see there's a little separation right there. I don't think I have a tool to really point at anything. Let me see. Oh wait, no, I think I don't know. Sorry guys, I have a cold. I guess we can just put it with this. Nope, wrong thing. Sorry, that's my mom. Okay, I guess we can just put it with this. So, right there. Let me just zoom in. Sorry if you hear that, that's my mom. As you can see right there, there's a bit of separation. That's my ferret. He's an a-hole. But right there, as you can see, I can push it in, like right there. Where is it? Okay, right here. I can push in the Apple logo, which I've never known that you can do that. I thought the Apple logo was just like kind of printed on or like really put into place. This must have hit a lot of rocks, I guess, to push this in. I push it in, and then all the water inside there kind of flows out right there. And then if I put this here, give me a minute, guys. Yeah. Yes, I know. Alright, I'm sorry guys, that was my mom. She needs me. Alright, well, how about this? Let's see if we can maybe do some of this and then get some paper towel. And then maybe wipe the front of the phone. So I'm gonna dry it up a little bit. Get in there. Oh, it's really dirty. And as you can see, it is very banged up. Like, look at that. And then look at the screen. It's like coming off. And on the back, looks like there's some sort of slime in there. But, yeah, this is just really banged up and dirty. Alright, let me show you. Alright. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, well, right here. Right. Nope, let me zoom out a little bit. Right here. You can see that this is where, on the iPhone, that is where the camera would be. Because right here, this is really dirty. Maybe I can use this knife and maybe get some of that gunk out. Right there, that is, let me show you. We have a normal phone right there. And that black thing right there. That is that. Really weird inside. I don't know what this is. It's kind of like a pan. No, wait, no, this isn't it. This is it. It's a little can right there. Maybe I can get that out. Maybe I can get that out to show you guys the camera. Oh, okay, I think the screen might come off. That won't be good. Oh, yeah, right here. Let me kind of zoom out a little bit. Right here, I don't know what this is, but it's kind of coming off from the screen. But right here, let me try to get this off. Let me just do like this, and then maybe I can pull it out. Screen's very fragile too. Alright, well, I might not be able to get that out to show you guys. But look how much gunk is in there. Like, look. Like, look at all of this. And then if I kind of just... Oh, yeah, there's a lot of... Like, kind of... Like, all through it. Like, right... Right here, there's some... I don't know what that is, but it kind of looks like it was maybe hit by a rock. So maybe it kind of cracked the screen and then, like, I don't know, damaged it inside. That's throughout a lot of the cracks right there. It kind of rough compared to the actual. No, that's not the thing. All right, and then over here we have a lot of breakage right here. And then over here we have a lot of. It kind of looks like salt. To be honest, you can kind of see right there. It's kind of come off a little bit. All right, let me check the other side. Yeah, there's a lot of that stuff on there. All right. I kind of want all that stuff. Maybe I can scrape it out. Because right here in the kind of corners, right here, if I just kind of do this, you can see it's kind of like that. It's really weird. It is on that for all corners, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's on that it's like that for all corners. But yeah, you can maybe see what's inside there. I don't know if you can see that right there, but there's like a lot of slime. Like it looks like slime right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna leave this video here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.